What's going on, my only fan base? Today we got two packages for you today. One of them, or both of these, I was supposed to do with the last video, but they took a while to show up because Superrradical's always slow. Let's just jump right into it. In this first package, we have Bart Simpson. I can take it out. We have a Bart Simpson blue Corona. Yeah, he's wearing a face mask. I collect these. I got a collection of them. Yeah. So it's first package. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope. All right, cool. All right. Second package. In this package, we got the receipt, and we got the Superrradical face mask. This is right. Oh. This is the Superrradical face mask. It says Superrradical on it. Should protect against all coronas, and Lymes. Face mask. All right, and this is the star. My personal favorite item. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope. We have a Superrradical. That was a lot easier to open. We have a Superrradical. What does this say? I forgot. If I hate myself, imagine how I feel about you. Butterfly t-shirt. I'm looking forward to wearing this and the Bart Simpson shirt. Should be a pretty fun time, and I'll see you guys in the next video.